With some more grammar covered, let's head back to vocabulary so that we can learn how to refer to the different members of the family. Let's construct a family tree and see what we find. Pater, patris. Mater, matris. Conjux, conjugis. Maritus, mariti. Parens, parentis. Frater, fratris. Soror, sororis. Avus, avi. Avia, aviae. Nepos, nepotis. Neptis, neptis. Avunculus, avunculi. Matertera, materterae. Patrus, patrui. Amita, amitae. Socer, soceri. Socrus, socrus. Gener, generi. Nurus, nurus. That's quite an impressive family tree, and with that, we know how to refer to everyone in your family in Latin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Support me on Patreon so I can keep making content. And as always, feel free to email me, ProfessorDaveExplains@gmail.com.